Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 Air Fryer. All-in-one system. Includes the Ninja Crispi Power Pod for QT and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids. Crispi Power Pod. The power of a full-sized air fryer now in the palm of your hand. Small large batch containers. 6-cup container cooks a personal-sized meal in 7 minutes while the 4 cutie fits of 4 lb chicken and veggies. Non-toxic containers. Clean crisp glassware is designed for non-toxic cooking and storing. 4-in-1 functionality. Max Crisp Bake Air Fry Recrisp. Fixed heat protection. Permanently fixed heat-safe feet so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, and marble. Leak-proof lids. Snap-lock lids ensure your meal won't spill on the go. Easy storage. Ninja's Crispi Power Pod and clean crisp glassware nests together for mess-free storage in your cabinets. Crispi Container Adapter. Includes an adapter so the Crispi Power Pod can be used on the larger container. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. No more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer neatly holds the 2 beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes. With 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it, this electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Storage containers. Versatile glass food storage containers with lids. Prep, stash, stack, store, and more with this glass meal prep container set. BPA-free and going from freezer to oven without breaking, these glass containers handle it all. With a variety of shapes and sizes, say hello to healthier meal prep. 12 sizes for every need. Our airtight food storage containers with lids set includes 4 rectangle containers 35 ounces, 8 by 6 inches, 21 ounces, 6.75 by 5 inches, 12 ounces, 4.2 by 5.5 inches. 4 square containers 27 ounces, 6 inches, 17.5 ounces, 5.2 inches, 11 ounces, 4.3 inches. 4 round containers 32 ounces, 6.75 inches. Height ranges from 1.75 to 2.3 inches. Temperature-safe food containers. Made from borosilicate glass, aka space shuttle glass, these containers are durable and robust. Fridge, freezer, dishwasher, oven, and microwave-safe containers. They're the ultimate multitaskers for busy lives. Asterisk lids are hand wash only. Jar Revolving Countertop Spice Rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Powerful 1,500-watt motor. Crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and power through tough ingredients with the 2-horsepower motor, designed for professional results. Total crushing technology. The XL72 Oz. Asterisk pitcher. Ideal for large batches and entertaining, features total crushing blades that crush ice to snow in seconds and powers through tough ingredients. Asterisk 64, Oz, max liquid capacity. On the go convenience, includes 2 16 ounces. Nutri-Ninja cups with to-go lids, perfect for personalized shakes and smoothies. 8-cup food processing. Delivers consistent, even chopping, pureeing, and mixing. Includes a dedicated chopping blade, plus dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Versatile functions. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve that best fits your recipe and meal prep needs.